Okay, today we are working on 5th grade Math Common Core Review, Skill Work 6 quiz. 19 times 55. So we want to multiply these vertically. So we will have 19 times 55. 5 times 9 is 45. So we write the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 4 we carried is 9. Okay, and this will be the same thing because it's also 5, so it'll be 95 also, but just shifted one space to the left. 5 plus nothing is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Write the 4, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get 1,045. Okay, number 2, we have 874 divided by 6. So 874 goes inside the division box, divide by 6. 6 can go into 8 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 7. 6 can go into 27 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract and we get 3. Bring down the 4. 6 can go into 34 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. We used to say remainder 4, but now we say 4/6, and we know that 4/6 can be simplified to 2/3. So our answer is 145 and 2/3. Okay, number 3, how many hundredths are in 3 and 39 hundredths? This is the hundredths place, so there are 9 hundredths. How many tenths are in 72 and 987 thousandths? So this is the 10th place, that's 9. How many tens are in 87.62? So this is the tens place, so there are 8 tens. Number 4, use place value patterns to complete the table. So multiplying by 10, we move our decimal one place to the right. Okay, so we'll do that for each of these. So 30.5 becomes 305. 1.04 becomes 10.4. 0.3 becomes 3. Okay, and then to divide by 10, we move our decimal one place to the left. So the 30.5 becomes 3.05. The 1.04 becomes 0.104. And the 0.3 becomes 0.03. Okay, so when we're multiplying by factors of 10, we can just move the decimal the appropriate number of places. Number 5 is an order of operations problem. Okay, so we have 2 sets of brackets here. You can see I'm just going to make them a little larger and a little more obvious. And so inside of each of those 2 sets, we need to work from the inside out, starting with the smaller grouping symbols, the most inside grouping symbols, which are the parentheses. So we have 9 times 4, which is 36, minus 2 times 5, which is 10. So that's what's inside of those brackets. And then inside of these parentheses, we have 3 plus 5, which is 8. Okay, times 2. Okay. And then we have 36 minus 10, which gives us 26. 8 times 2, which gives us 16. So we have 26 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So we get 42. Number 6, color the model to match the decimal. This is 9300. So everything is shaded except 7, because 9300 plus 700 will give us our 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not be shaded. 9300 will be shaded. So I'm just going to outline the area to be shaded. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 9300. So all of this gets shaded. Probably easier to shade with a pencil, but the pen shows up better on the camera. There we go. So 9300s are shaded. Okay, so almost the entire 100 square. Number 7, write the next two numbers in this number pattern. Note this is a two-step pattern. So since it's a two-step pattern, I'm just going to start by looking at every other step here. From 30 to 40, 25 to 35, 20 to 30, these are all plus 10. Okay, and then from 40 to 25, 35 to 20, 30 to 15, these are all minus 15. Okay, so the next step will be a plus 10, which will take us to 25, and the next step will be a minus 15, which will take us to 10. Okay. Brecken is typing an 18-page report. If it takes her 12 minutes to type each page, how many minutes will it take Brecken to type the entire report? So we have 18 times 12. So 2 times 8 is 16, right? The 6 carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these together, we get 6, 11, and 2. So we get 216 minutes to take her to type the entire report. And that is Common Core 5th grade math review 6th quiz.